Welcome, my name is kaaramary and this is Kara Style, where I share with you my upcycling journey and low-weight lifestyle through tutorials and vlogs. And in today's tutorial, I'm gonna share how to hem pants. Keeping the original hem is such an easy trick and it's super quick and easy. I'll be real, none of my jeans actually needed to be hemmed. So these jeans I thrifted just for this video. They don't fit size. I'm probably gonna cut off 2 inches. You want to fold it up and make a mark before you start cutting. Then you go to your ruler, check the measurement. Here I'm gonna cut only 2 inches. So I'm gonna cut off the 2 inches, following the hem from the bottom up 2 inches from there, and then I'm gonna cut it. I'm cutting a straight line. You want to make sure it's straight, so make sure to double check in the back that is folded flat, because if it's not flat, then the wrinkles are gonna cut it, it's gonna come out uneven. And then I'm gonna trim, because I want to keep the original hem. So what I do now is just trim out the excess, keeping the hem. Now I'm gonna take my seam ripper and I'm going to open it up. So by removing those stitches, these little ones here, it's gonna take some time, about like 10 minutes max. These are like petite girl problems, because this is something that happens very often to me. I'm 5'2", and whenever I get jeans, it doesn't matter where they're from, so I always have to hem it. And by finding this technique, I literally seamless and easy is the shining tip of today's tutorial. You want the front that is folded down facing you, and then the back that has the phrase in the back. So I'm gonna pin it back to the jeans, and then it also gives a nice clean finish. That's why it looks original and like you didn't do anything. You see how the folded area here is facing up, and then the area with the phrase is on the inside. So it's like a sandwich. You just want to cover the edge of the area that you cut off with the original hem. Then you top stitch all around, going all around to make it tight and secure. And then that's pretty much it. It's a very quick 3-step tutorial where you just wear it, determine the measurement, cut it, add back the hem, and that's it. And I want to share with you the best content that can help you out resolve like any issues that you may have with your clothes, repairing it, customizing it, transforming it, helping you get started sewing. As you can see, it looks like the original. You see the thread that's yellow, you could keep it. I had white, so I just used that, but you can also mimic the same thread by getting the same yellow color. So here in Kara Style, we are not shadows, we lead, and through our clothes we're making our own fashion con sazón. So that has been today's tutorial. I hope you've enjoyed it. How to transform your hem and, well, really transform it, shorten it, how to shorten your hem and keeping the original hem of the jeans in order for it to look seamless. Let me know if you like it by giving a like, commenting below, subscribing, and coming back every Wednesday and Sunday. Wednesdays are vlogs with Kara, and Sundays are sewing tutorials with style, all done in Kara Style. Here in Kara Style, we're shining, upcycling one piece of garment at a time, making our own clothing con sazón. I'll see you next time.